The
Pritam.
version for
Pritam.
How are you, sir?
I'm good. Hey, Pritam. Pritam Shaw. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Did
sir.
you see my message? Did you understand what I'm
Yes,
saying?
sir. Sir, basically, the else block executes only if the nearest if block isn't satisfied, right?
Yeah. Then
That's
second
the
one.
key.
Sec-
That is
that-
the key, right?
yeah, the second if whenever the second if condition will become false, the else will be executed. So
Okay,
that
sir.
see for Madhya Pradesh it will be updated. Yeah, some will be updated from 0 to 48. No, I think or 42. But because of this second if condition becoming false, it is again updated with
Yeah.
68.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That-
Got it, sir.
Yeah. So now you understood why 4 marks is less.
And sir, now I highly doubt how many people have done it correctly. Like it's
Yeah.
very.
Yeah, so see, what people have done, they have just summarized what is happening, and
Yeah.
they based on the data, they just find the answer. That is what people have done.
Even when I use the data to find the answer without even summarizing, I made the same mistake.
no, but the if condition, it should be. I'll see wherever this else condition part is there, na, if and
Yeah.
else,
Yeah.
be little bit more careful than whenever only if condition is there. Else
Yes,
part
sir.
has lot of hidden things.
Yes, sir.
So please be careful whenever you see any question which has else part.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, and
Got
this
it.
is
question, sir?
yeah. So sorry.
Which question, sir? Like is
Yeah,
it from the quiz?
this is actually quiz one question. Then Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh. That question was there, na? And the branches, 3 branches wanted to close based on the minimum. Some
Oh
question
yes, yes. That was like in my
Bhakri?
case it was Kerala, right?
Oh, okay. Bhakri लिखे आया था वो.
Answer, I think the answer was
Three.
the one with the lowest
No. So
performance.
that answer will be in both sets. Actually, two sets were there, no. So both in case Tamil Nadu will be the answer because of else part. Just that's why I was telling you guys, telling Pritham to just go through carefully. We are okay then. What to do? Should I
Sir,
think?
actually, there was a discussion means 2-3 weeks back. I don't know when. Little bit. This that qualifier score will also be considered because I am a term batch student. But will they consider?
Yeah, I think you are a term student now, no?
Yeah, I am a term student.
Okay.
But previously, if if my understanding is correct, you were just telling that there is a possibility that they may consider the qualifier marks as quiz one for a term student also. Is means if my understand whether
I think
heard
this is
correct or not.
Yeah, based off 2 out of 3, no? I think that will be considered. So you are saying that this quiz one or the previous qualifier, that one you are talking about?
Yes.
Okay. So what? So which one is better? I mean, previous or this one? I mean,
No, actually, the thing is that my qualifier marks is more than the quiz one marks. So that's why I asked whether there is a possibility or not.
Okay. Maybe then I have to check. I am also not much sure how when this situation comes. So maybe I have to check with the admin.
But in the handbook they have clearly mentioned that is only for applicable for qualifier students. After qualifier, immediately if you are taking the course, then it is applicable.
Okay.
But if you have qualified previously, if
and you have joined in the next term, so it will be
next term means it is your quiz one what you have written only is applicable like that.
Okay. Then it is mentioned. Then I can't do anything. No.
No. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So what to do? So you guys are clear about these things, recursion and what is that? DFS techniques. You guys understand these things? How it is constructed, or should I give some brief summary of this one? What do you want? Or you should ask some questions. What to do?
Actually, it is better, sir. Actually, to be honest, after week 7, I have not gone through. So,
questions will be good. Discuss questions.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can you give one example of breadth first search, please?
So, through questions, can you explain the concepts?
Yeah. That is better
Okay.
actually. Yeah.
Okay.
So, can you also explain? So I went through the video wherein sir tells about the procedure to like rest and init and all. But can
Mhm.
you explain that, because the example is told verbally? Can you show an example, like there was sorting and all, and also later how to
So
just
you have confusion in rest how it is being
no
calculated.
rest I understood, but
Then
or if example from the practice activity question, activity 9.5,
okay.
question number 3. I mean, it will make me understand how actually it works.
Okay. So 9. So guys, those who have doubt, please raise your hand. I will go through the sequence as you guys have raised your hand. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, Rachna, what I was telling you. I mean, which question you were
Activity
talking?
9.5, question number 3.
9.5, question number
3.
3.
Okay. So I just go through I just line by line and go and just.
Sir, first please explain very deeply. Sir, DFS बता दो एक बार.
Sir,
DFS.
please screen share कर दीजिए, please.
अच्छा
DFS.
ठीक है. So DFS, Suresh, others, what do you think? DFS, are you guys okay with DFS? How it works? I mean,
So it's better if you tell once about
okay.
DFS.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
give an example of
Okay. So
DFS.
Rachana, give me 5 minutes to explain what is DFS and
Sure, sir.
okay,
No
na?
worries. Yeah.
Thank you, Ratan.
Okay then. Yeah. So I just share the screen. Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, BFS also.
Breadth
हाँ.
first search. You have to just go through that. Okay. Let me show you.
अभी कौन?
Okay, those who are please not talking, please mute yourself. I can share. Yeah. I will post. We can share the screen. Please, guys, can you please mute? No. Praveen, can you please
Yes.
mute?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So DFS. Okay. This is factorial. You guys understood, no? How factorial works? I mean, no, sorry, factorial,
Yes.
not recursion. Recursion.
Yes.
Okay, so DFS, see, this is one of the graph you have given to, and you have to find the DFS, means depth first search. The name itself, depth. Must first you once you choose any vertex, you should go through as deep as you can, meaning you should explore all the connected vertex. Then you have to backtracking. So depth first search, you have to go to the depth, whereas in breadth first search, you have to whatever the branches connected to that particular node, you have to explore that one rather than going into depth. You have to go in breadth. So that here we have one given example. Can I you open with this one? Just a minute. Can I write on this one? No. Okay. Chalo. Yeah. So see, this is one of the typical example you have given. You have how many nodes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nodes are there. Started with 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Then it is also given that so you should start with the starting vertex is 1. Means the root of this depth first search will be 1. From this node you should
Sir,
start.
sorry to
Yeah.
interrupt you.
Yes.
So my question was about recursion. So I think to understand this, I will have to first understand the recursion.
Yeah, recursion. I will go through that.
So I
First,
will understand this also, right? If I don't know.
Yeah,
Okay.
DFS and recursion both are a separate thing. But in DFS we use recursion also. But
Right.
here I'm not using recursion. I'm just telling you how it can go through.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So let me know if anyone is not able to understand since, and also please don't talk all together so that it will create disturbance or also echo. Okay, so till now what I have told, like we have a graph in which we have 5 nodes and they all are connected in this way, and we have to start to search or go through the explore all the nodes from a vertex 1 using DFS method, depth search method. Okay, so first, what is there? You have started with the 1, so that is the first one. Current vertex, you are at this position. Okay, so you have started here, means you wrote this one first node. Then can you see what are the neighbors of this one which are connected with one? Who are the neighbors which are directly, neighbors means directly connected to 1?
So 2 and
2
4.
and 4.
2 and 4. Everybody agree on this? 2 and 4 are neighbors. No, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you have possibility that you can go to 2 and you can also go to the 4, but we follow that whichever has the minimum value, means a minimum numerical value, you should go with that vertex. This we follow the rule, means we have to at least follow some rule to and we this is like universal thing, means you should start if there is a neighbor, 2 neighbors, and whichever the minimum in magnitude or numerical value, if it is not mentioned, then we should assume like that. Okay, so among these two, you have, this is the root of the depth first search, right?
Sir, 5 is not a vertex, is it, sir? Sorry.
Krishna Mohan, can you please mute? No.
Sir, I had a doubt, sir. Sorry.
Yeah, just if you have doubt only, Krishna Mohan.
Hello.
Yeah, Krishna Mohan, you have doubt?
Yeah, I was just asking a doubt, sir. Actually.
Please. Okay, tell me.
No, 5. I was wanting to know 5 is 5
no,
not
so
a vertex?
I told it is vertex, but I just asked that which are the nodes are directly connected to node 1.
Okay.
So that is called neighbor of 1. So which are the nodes which are directly connected to 1? 5 is also connected through 4 or through 2. But I am telling directly connected to 1. So which are the nodes which are directly connected to 1? Krishna Mohan?
We have direct connection with 2 and 4.
4, yeah. Okay.
Yes,
so these are having a direct connection with 1. No? So these
yes,
are called neighbors, neighbor vertex of 1. Okay. Then among that, you have freedom to choose 2 and 4, but we go with the minimum or the minimum magnitude among the values, means nodes 2 and 4. So which is the minimum? 2. So we have 2 here. Okay. So we have 2 here. So earlier, what we had neighbors 2 and 4, but among that we chose 2. Okay, because it has minimum. We follow that trend. Okay, so we reached up 2 here. So now what are the neighbors? So now we have suspended call with this one. What we are going through that depth first search. So you have to explore in depth. You are not supposed to check all the branches means all the nodes which are originating from the one that is called breadth first search, but we are here for depth first search technique. So depth first search technique, we have to go in the depth of whichever the node comes first. So now we reach to node 2, and again same thing, which are the nodes which are directly connected to 2? Tell me, guys.
So 3 and 5.
3 and 5.
3 and 5. Yeah, everybody is able to follow this one. No?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
I can see 50 participants are there. Everybody able to follow this one, what I'm talking here?
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm going very
5
fast.
and 1 also, no, sir?
Yeah, sorry, 1 is also there. 1, so correct. So this is the
1, 3
catch
and
actually.
5, sir.
Yeah, this is the catch actually. Yeah, so everybody see, doubts are like no any doubts are bad or good. All doubts are good. Thing is that how much you are following, based on that you will ask. If you are asking simple doubts, that is also fine. Next time we will ask good doubts. So that is okay to speak. But that's I wanted that everybody should speak, so that their hesitation or something should come, so that they can talk. Okay. So see, now we have we reached to 2. What are the nodes it has? Neighbors which are directly connected, 1, 3 and 5. Is it okay? No, we guys, we have 1, 3 and 5, no, neighbors.
yes, sir.
Which are directly
Sir.
connected.
But with one can do.
No. So wait. So I'm just one more time telling. So let me connect with this one to my writing part. Then how it will. So this is just give me a second. This is 12.4. Can I open with? Where is that? Open with other application? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. We were here, no? Yeah. No, not we were not.
We were at.
We are here. We were here. No.
Yes.
So we have where I can write with the right. I will write there.
So this tutorial, sorry, sir, this tutorial is available under which link, sir? This PDF.
Yeah, we'll share this one. Don't worry about. We will share this one. Okay. So we have for node 2. For node 2, which are the neighbors you have? 1, 5, and 3. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
These are the nodes. But
Yes.
but among all 3, which are the nodes you have already visited?
One.
1. So this as already visited. So we have to also mark that which are the visited and non-visited. Non-visited we will easily understand. Okay, so visited here is 1 already you have visited. Non-visited other than that. Okay, so we have already visited this 1. Okay. Okay, I just, it is not visible. I should use the green one. Yeah. So 1 we have already visited. So what are the remaining here? We have
3 and 5.
3 and 5. Okay. So 3 and 5, which are the minimum value we have?
3.
Among 3 and 5. So we have another branch which is here. Sorry, it should not have this guy directed one. So we have 3. We have 3. No. So we reached here at 3. Now so now we have reached here 3. So what are the neighbors 3 have now? So
No name, only 2.
No unvisited neighbor.
Neighbors, first we check the neighbors. So neighbors, what are the neighbors 3 have?
2.
But 2 we have already
Visited.
Already visited, no?
Yes.
If we are not going to do anything, what we will do? We will go back now. So after that, we do not have anything. So then we will backtracking. So this process is called backtracking. What we are going to do? Backtracking.
Backtracking.
Anna?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. So we are going back and we reached 2. So now we reached to 2. Again, we have to check neighbors. Okay. So for again 2, okay, I will show here only. So now we reached to 2. Reached to node 2. And what are the neighbors? What are the neighbors we have?
5.
1, 3, and 5.
1 and 3 which have been visited, and 5 which is not visited.
Yeah. So this among this for neighbor node 2, neighbors are 1, 3, 5. Which are the visited one?
1 and 3.
And 3.
We have already visited 3 and
1.
1. So what is the remaining?
5.
So we have to connect 3 with 5. Sorry. How come? No, sorry, 2 to 5, no, because we are checking now 2 to 5. We backtrack to 2, so that's why it is connected to 2 to 5. Everybody is following what I'm writing here?
Yes, sir. Yes,
if not, then I will explain again. Okay. So now, so where we reach now? Node 5. Okay, no. So node 5 again. What are the neighbors it has? So these neighbors have
2 and 4. 2 and 4.
2 and 4. Okay, but what we have already visited, this one we have
2 is
already visited.
visited.
So 4 we have to visit. So 5 will be connected with next 4. Okay, now again, so 4. Okay, in next page it will be there. Yeah. So now neighbors.
1 and 5 are neighbors, but
Yeah.
both are visited.
Yes. So we have neighbors of 4s. Actually, what are the neighbors here?
And
1 and 5. So these all are visited here, no? 1 and 5 we already visited, no? 1 and 5. See,
Yes, sir.
neighbors of 4. What are the neighbors of 4? 1 and 5 we visited already, guys.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Not okay. So
No.
now we have. Sorry, didn't understand. Okay.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yeah, please. Yeah.
Sir, when we are writing it in the form of the flow chart, then the lower number will always be on the left hand side, because when we are connecting 2 to 3 and 5, we are writing 3 on left and 5 on right. But the lower number, should it always be on the left side, or we can jumble it up? I mean, we can write 5 on the left side and 3 on the right.
If it is, I think not given, we can do, but generally we follow the lower. I haven't seen it should be at the left side. Did you find somewhere this thing?
No.
नहीं सर, मतलब सारे एग्जाम्पल जो दिया हुआ है वहाँ पे जो छोटा नंबर है वो मतलब हर वक्त लेफ्ट साइड लिख रहे हैं, तो मैं सोची मतलब सिंटैक्स में है या
No, you can write any side, I think. Yeah, but I will check that one. If it is trained there, then I have to check. Okay, I don't know.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, no, I will check that one. I don't think so any rule is there, but again,
Okay.
to confirm that, I have to check. Okay, so now we have reached. Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, I have one doubt, sir. So
Yeah.
here assumption is that we are following ascending order, right? Like from 1 2, and from 2 we can go to 5.
No, we
also,
are not as we are. So for choosing the nodes, if more than 2 neighbors are more than one neighbors are there, then we choose the minimum one. That is the assumption we have here.
Yeah, that was it.
Okay, so we reached here 4, but what are the neighbors 1 and 5? That all are visited. So we'll backtrack 5. So 5, what are the neighbors? 4 and 2. These 4 and 2 are also visited, no, guys? Now see 5. What are the neighbors of 5?
4
Guys,
and
2 and 4
so that all, both are visited. So 5. Then we will go back again. So 2. So 2 for 2. What are the neighbors? 1, 5, and 3. That all are visited.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then we will come back to
1.
1.
So 1. All neighbors are visited. No, 2 and 4.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We reach to the again origin or the root of the DFS tree. So this is the way. Like so, I just tell you now in.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir,
So
which is...
just a minute. I just briefly summarize this one. So what we were doing actually. Here. So we had this guy, means this graph, and what we are doing, I said that the origin notice or the root was 1, so we started with 1. Okay, and then we checked here. So what are the neighbors here? 2 and 4. 2 and 4 was the neighbor, no? So among that, what we have to choose? 2. Okay, because it is a have minimum value, lower value than 4. So you have to choose the minimum one, minimum magnitude value. Then we came here and we suspended the call for this guy, and now our node is interest node number 2. So now we will check the neighbors. So what are the neighbors? 1, 5. Neighbors means directly connected to node 2. So directly connected to node 2, which are these and these. But this was already visited, no? So we are not going to do anything. We ended with 5 and 3. Among 5 and 3, we have to choose 1. So 1, which will be the node? 3, because it has meaning, no? So now we have 3. Now again, for third, we have neighbors 2. Okay, for this guy we have neighbor 2, but this is already visited, so we are not going to do anything. So then we are going to backtrack means we reach to the previous node from where it came, then we went to 2, and then again we check the neighbors. Okay, so for again neighbors, what are the neighbors? 1, 5 and 3. No,
Yes, sir.
for
Yes, sir.
1, 3, 1, 5 and 3, but we'll again check which are the nodes are already visited. So 1 is already visited, so we are not going to do anything. 3 was also visited, so just in previous step, so we are not going to anything with this node 3. We ended with the only one nodes, which is the 5. No, okay, so 5 will be connected to 2, not with 3. Why? Because we are backtracking with the 2. Guys,
Yes,
are you
sir.
able to
Yes,
follow
sir.
what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Others?
Yes, sir.
Guys, how many participants are there?
Yes.
49.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we have 5. So what are the neighbors we have for 5? Tell me.
And 2.
2
4
and
and
5.
sorry, 2
4
and
and
4.
4.
No.
2 and
For
4.
2 and 4. No. So which are the nodes we have already visited?
2.
2. So we are not going to do anything. We have only one node, no, which are unvisited, not visited one. So 5 will be connected with 4. Okay, and then we will see.
Yes, sir.
So you can see that all nodes are ended here. So sorry. All nodes are ended here, so you need not to go back to the origin. You know that yeah, we have already visited, so obviously the graph DFS tree will be not going to change. What I'm doing is my notepad is not good. Hey, yeah, okay, so this is the actually tree. Okay, so any doubt? I will give one question to this one. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah,
No, sir.
someone had doubt in this. Is it
Sir,
cleared or yeah?
I
Tell
want
me.
to ask.
Who is
Uh,
Ravikant? Yeah, please others
Sir,
know if okay. Tell me, Ravikant. What
sir,
is it?
can we draw the input graph from the DFS tree?
Backtrack. Okay, so yeah, you can do no. So,
So my
but you
question
should.
is, that from which path can I know that 1 and 4 are connected?
So see, for backtracking, what you had to do, like, so see that origin will be always given the root of the any DFS tree or any. Okay, no. So root you should know. Okay.
Okay.
So like one is there. Let us try. I also don't know, but we try. So 1 is there. So 1 is connected with 2, no. So you can connect 2, then you have a 3 and 5. So 3 and 5, among that what you have to do? 3 can be connected because among you have to choose which one. So 3 and 5, among you will choose 3, no. Ravikant?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 3. Then there is nothing there, no. After 3 you have no any, so you will come back, and where you will come back to 2, no.
Yes.
So 2 have another 5 is there, no.
Yes.
So 5 is there, then 5 is connected, then you have again 4. So 4 is connected directly to 5, but 1 to 4 how we will connect?
That is my question.
But there is
Yeah.
there is no way.
There is no way, I think, no.
Yes, so we cannot I mean
yes,
do the reverse process.
Because we are following that order, right?
Yeah,
That,
order we are following.
lower to higher digit order we are following.
Yes.
If we did not have such order, then we could have gone the other way as
I
well.
think we can't do, but maybe some information should be there to do that, no. So 4 is connected, no. The other way, then 3 and 1 will be also connected. So 2, 5, and we know the only direct connections here, no. Yeah, so this is the missing part actually, no, this guy. 1, 2, 4. No, this we are not able to connect. No, 1, 2,
Sir,
4.
maybe if we can say that 4 has 2 nodes or something.
So extra information, I think it is required.
Yes, yes, some extra information.
This is an undirected graph set.
This is undirected one.
So what is wrong? Because there's no direction given between 4 and 1.
Yeah, so that's why we are missing with the when we are trying to do a reverse from DFS to graph. I will check that one. Wow, what are the information, extra information is required to do that. Okay. Yeah. So one thing also I want to do from everyone. I just need to select. Yeah, if I say now my root is okay, I need to select this one. My root is 5. Then how our DFS tree will look like? Can anybody assist me to draw this one?
So first we draw 5, then connect it to 2.
Yeah. So I will tell you where to stop. I will ask you others also. So 5 is connected with. So tell me in a detail. So 2 and
5
4
is connected to 2 and 4.
Yeah.
Neighbors are 2 and 4.
Since 2 is the least least numerical value. So the next connection would be 2.
Okay. Then I will ask to next person. Anybody wanted to assist me?
Now the neighbors of
2.
So backtracking will occur.
So neighbor of 2 now, no?
Neighbor of 2 is 1 and 3, but we go with 3.
Yeah, so we have neighbor of 2 are only 3, 1 and 3. There are 3 neighbors, no, of 2.
1, 5 and 3. 5 is already visited.
And
1 is
so,
less.
Yeah, so 2 will be connected to 1. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, so next person.
So then 1 is connected to 2 and 4. 2 is already taken, so we will go to 4.
Yeah, so 1 now we have 1. So 1 has neighbor 2 and 4, but we have already visited 2. So now we have 4. Okay. So now next anyone wanted to assist me?
Then so it will backtrack to 1.
So what are the neighbors of 4? 1 and 5, which we have already visited. So we'll go back to 1. Again, we will check 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 already visited. So again, we will go back to 2 and
2 have access neighbor 3.
Yeah, so 2 has neighbors 1, 3 and 5. So among that 1 we have already visited, 5 already there. So 3, no? This is the one. Anybody have doubt?
No,
just try to check with all the so when 2 is the root, then 4 is the root. You will get something to do by yourself, then you will understand better. Okay, now it is okay, no? DFS. Yeah.
So the root and the first element both are same, right? Sir?
Yeah. So from where the DFS tree is starting, no?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay, then so now I'm going back to recursion question. What Rachna has asked, no? Okay, fine, no, guys.
Sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, question 9.1, question number 8.
No, I will. Did you raise your hand, Praveen?
Okay, sir.
So I'm following the sequence. Where is that?
Very short question, sir. Only 1 to 2.
Yeah. So I have to also give times to those who asked early than you, know. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, please, if you are not talking, please mute. Okay, no, guys. Praveen, can you please mute? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, Rachna, are you here?
Yes,
so this is the question you have doubt, no?
Yes, sir. So basically, I had trouble understanding. I was just finishing week 9 today. I was just before starting this call, I finished the 5th video. So I understood what was said, but I did not understand, how to apply it. So, for example, in the question number 2 or 1, it says that, if it is 0, you return it as return X, and if it is not 0, then return summation x
Did
plus
you
x.
follow this part also? This question also? You didn't follow this one?
From what was taught, I understood what the answer is, but I don't know how. I couldn't understand how to work it out. If I had a question, I had numbers, a practical example, then how to do that?
Okay.
Follow
Okay.
that pseudocode is.
I got it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So what I do, I have my writing part. It is better to write on the where is I think then my writing is not good on that page. Yeah, what happened? Just wait. This is disturbing. This bad. Yeah. So which are the nine? Did I go to 9.5? Question number 3. Yeah. So this is actually one of the example you have. Oh, why it went there? Yeah. Now it is better. No. Why it is going that side? I don't know. Why? What happened?
Sir, now click on 9.5 after
It will come, huh?
collapsing. Yes, sir.
Nice. Yeah. Okay. So you have a list is given, no? A list there. So 1 to n, Hannah? 3 to n.
So I think she was talking about the previous question.
Rachna?
So previous question I could understand, but the basis what was told that how to call the procedure, but how it practically works, even if it was.
Okay, so since there is one list given, that's why you asked this question.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, it's fine. If you understand this
So
one,
in
you
the
can
same
do that.
example, you can also explain what will be last L plus
So
L.
this init and last you understood, no? How
Yes,
these
sir.
things. Okay.
Yes, that I understand.
See, let us say I'm not going for the all in. I just try for the 1, 2, 3. That will be easy. Okay. As the answer is, I think both. No, I think this is the answer.
Yes, sir.
What is happening? I don't know. Yeah. Okay. So see, now we have S. You have something. You have some procedure. You have called with this one. So let sum is one of the procedure, and L is there. So you have input as a list. Okay. Sorry. Let sum. You have input as a list, and which is nothing but you have 1, 2, 3. So once you go inside, this is the procedure you have. If length of L is equal to 0, what is now length of L?
3.
3.
3.
It is not equal to 0, no? So this condition, if condition what we have is false, okay? The condition.
So sorry to interrupt, sir. Can we start with the procedure wherein the pseudocode wherein the length is.
So from there I'm starting only.
Okay. All right.
I am starting from there. So what I have just you have input as a list. This guy, for to make it short, I have just taken 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
So that is in. Okay. Then you have to go inside and you have to check the length of the list what you have as the input. So length of L is 3 here, so which is not equal to 0. So this condition is false, no?
Yes, sir.
I mean, not able to follow.
Understood, sir.
Okay. So this is the length of this one is 3 is equal to 0. Is it true or false?
False.
False. Where it will go? Else part. Okay. So
yes,
it will go to the else part, and we have to write return. So we are actually returning. What we are returning? Last of L. Last of L plus list sum. So list sum that tells that you are calling again. See, list sum is this one and list sum is here also, meaning procedure inside procedure. That is the recursion, no? No?
Right,
That is
sir.
actually, yeah. So you have init, again init and L. So this is, sorry, what I wrote, 9. Yeah, so you have L, this for this one, 2 and 3, 4 for last for this one. Okay, so you have to break it first. So see, this one is easy to understand what I'm going to write. So how will this will be written? So return last of L. What do you say? Last of L will be
3.
Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3. Sorry.
3.
Was looking-
Everybody is following what I'm writing, guys? Others?
Yes.
Okay. Then you have this lead sum. So don't go, start with the here. You should start with the minimum. So init this guy. You have to do first thing with this guy. So this guy, let me copy up to here. Sorry. Control C, Control V. So I'm interested to do things with this guy. So these things init of L will be what? Tell me.
1, 2 was 1 and 2.
What we used to do init, we used to leave the last element. No?
Yes.
So this is the one. Init of L will be this guy. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then again, I'm interested something because again init is there. And did I control C? Control V. So again, this I am now interested in this guy. What it will be the value of this guy?
1.
Tough one.
Tell me.
1.
This will be the one. No?
1.
Understood, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then you have okay. So init of L. Then what you have done? You have called this guy. But 2, why we are missing where it 2 went? It should be 3 plus 2, no? Just me.
Sir, because we used init twice.
You removed one.
We used init twice, right? So it would skip every other number.
Okay. So yeah, correct. Yeah, it will be coming correct. Just give me a second. Yeah. So now what will be this one? And you are now calling with this list. Actually, this is L is list. No, actually L is a list. No, what we sent. So this is actually a list with the one element. No. So we called it again. So it will be remain here like. Now we have to do things with this guy. Control C. We have to do it somewhere else. Now we have to we have interest on this guy. So this is our interest, and then lead sum. Then again we have to check the procedure in this pseudocode. So where is the procedure? Lead sum is here. So now what will be the L here? So L is here. What?
1.
List. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So that inside is there happening, but again we have called, so we have to come here. We have to find the where is this procedure lead sum is there. Again it is here, and what is the input? Input is this guy, only one element. So this is the one, no? Rachana?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So again we'll come here and then we'll check if length. Let me copy and paste now. That will be. So control V. So a length of L is how much now? Tell me.
1.
1. Is it equal to 0?
No, sir.
No.
It will be false. So where it will go?
Else.
It will go to else.
Okay. And
Yes,
again we have to write these things. Meaning, chalo. We are writing this guy. So now we have this guy, and this guy meaning what? Control V. Last of L will be what?
1 integer
1.
1. And init of L. So this L is actually what?
Singleton.
It will not have
Empty.
Init of L will be
Empty.
empty, no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So this will be
Empty.
empty list. And init of empty list, again an empty list, no?
Yes, sir.
So now we haven't traced on this guy. This one, no? Yeah, one is for this. No, up to here. Yeah. So this is our interest. Again, this will give the empty. Control C. It's a little bit too hard to understand, but once you understand how it is happening, then it will be easy. Yeah. So this will be empty. Okay, no? That everybody understood this part?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now again, list sum is again coming here. List sum. So again, this for this one. Control C. Now you have. Where is the I'm interested in this one. Now what is the L we have here?
0.
0,
Empty.
not 0. Empty list. We'll check this guy. Control C. Then
Length is 0.
yeah. So length of this guy is how much?
0.
0. 0 is equal to 0.
True.
True. Where it will go? In this part only.
Return
And it will
0.
return
0.
0.
0. Nice, no? So this part will be total. So now we are going back. Going back means the value of this part was actually let me write. Yeah. Hey, I didn't copy. So this part, what we got?
0.
0, no? Because return 0 is there, no?
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
Yes, sir.
And for where is that? List sum again. For this part, what we got? This is the one, no? For this one, we got this much, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Are you able to follow, Rachna?
Yes, sir.
So this part will be actually return 3 plus this is returning 1, no?
Yes, sir.
This part
Yes,
how much
sir.
actually?
1.
Fine, no? So this will be return this one. So finally what we are returning?
4.
Return 4.
4. So actually it says that whenever you have n natural numbers, this will return summation of all even numbers when n is even. So here what is this? N is what? Odd, no?
Odd.
So
Yes,
when
sir.
n is odd, it will return the summation of all odd numbers. So what are the all odd numbers are here? 1 and 3. No?
1 and 3.
So what is the sum? 1 plus 3. So 4. It should return 4, and it is actually returning 4 because of this twice in it. You can do with the rest also. That is also fine. Here first. So that can be also written in other way. But you understood how this recursion works, no?
Yes, sir.
Now we can do that one. Others, what about others, guys?
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, understood.
Yeah, I can see 47 participants, but not everyone is talking.
Yes, understood.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Understood.
Okay, then so please try to see whenever you stuck anywhere, just go with a simpler example. Like what I have done, I go for the longer. I have just taken 3 numbers only. Okay, so that okay, no? Now you guys try
Okay.
for this 1 2 3 4. What you will
Yeah,
give
that
me.
I was about to request that one.
Yeah, no,
Can you
you
quickly
guys have
explain?
to do. You guys have to do. I'm not going to do.
Yes, sir, we can do it.
Yeah, please. So that will see, actually that will help you to understand by your own way. Obviously that will find where you are stuck in, and then you will think, then you will understand that yeah, something I was missing. Then you just return back to this video and just cross check where you are missing. Okay. Okay, then yeah, next one. I will going to take the next out. And who has raised? Yeah, what is this name? I don't 9392.
Yes, sir, sorry, apology for the name, sir.
No, but please write
Sir,
your name. That will be good, no?
yes, sir. Sir, can I ask questions from week 7?
Week 7.
Yes, sir.
What are the week 7 doubts you have?
So just graded assignment question 13.
Yeah, solution we have uploaded. Did you go through the solution?
So week 7, I haven't got the solution actually. That's why I haven't cleared
I
my doubts.
think it is there. So where
So
is that?
till week 6, I think I have the PDF.
No. So you go to, how can I go now to, okay. Where is the, hey, my appearance is changed. How to come back to original thing? So yeah, revision, graded, supplementary, graded assignment solutions. Yeah, week 7 is there. Go through that one. If you are still have doubt, just let me know then.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, no, it is there. Or you stay with me after 8. Will take your doubt. First, I want to take a week 9 because tomorrow is the deadline. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. So these are, just go through that. I don't think so. It is must have. If we are still having doubt, just let me know then. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. So next doubt. Yeah. Who is the one? Just a minute. Let me know or call his or her name. Yeah. So can you please lower your hand? 9392. What is your name actually? Can you please tell me?
Sir, Abhilash.
Abhilash. So please change your name. That will be good. Okay. So then we have Vishant, no? Vishant. AP, I will take your name because Vishant. Yeah. You have doubt? Some doubt? Yeah, please.
Yeah, sir. Yeah. So in the activity question, sir, so just searching actually not getting that question. It is from the DFS part only, sir.
Okay.
The answer was a bit different from what I was solving it. So
yeah, can you tell me the activity question number?
Yeah, it is in 9.4.
It's 9.6 should be, I think. This is the one? Anyone?
So this is the question.
Yeah, sir. In this one, yeah.
This
the
one.
Second, yeah.
Okay.
So
yeah, tell me.
Sorry, if I'm resolving it right, so it is said that we should going as a like a lower alphabet. If suppose we want to go to 2 nodes, so we should go to the lower one, right?
Yeah, like ABC is there, so BC is there, so you
if
should.
If we are at the D, right, so we should go first at the H part, right, or then then we can go. So in that case, sir, my answer was a bit different. So that's the reason I was.
Which so question number 2 only, or which question?
Question number 2. Yeah. No, 2 said below there was some they told to.
Sub questions are
there. Fourth one, sir.
Sir, question 5 also.
5 also.
4, yeah.
So actually, let me read what is the question. So we have this question. Okay. So this is actually a DFS tree. Okay. Then question number 4.
Actually, in the feedback, it was the I had the doubt, sir. If you go to the feedback, it was mentioned that HI was the.
Why how this many things are coming? In this feedback, it's not uploaded. So you are in term student. You are a term student.
Yes.
The feedback is in question number 2.
Okay, just. Yeah, this is the one, no? feedback is also not here. Feedback is there. Yeah. So in question number 2, you had question number doubt in
So in the first one, first one, if you see right from in the feedback only, sir, the first, so at last it should be DHI, right? Or but it is here DIH. So and there I had the doubt.
Okay. So starting from node A, which algorithm will visit the least number of nodes before visiting node T? Assume that if there is a choice of multiple nodes, algorithm will be chosen the node which comes alphabetically first. Okay. So so we have to go to D, no? So for going D, if you are going to A, B, C, so obviously A will go to the first B, that is the DFS, but you have to reach D, no? So obviously first you have to explore all the branches. So all branches B and C are there. So for BFS, you will go to A, B, C, then you will come to again B. So again B, we have E and F, no? In BFS, A, B, C, E, F. EF. Again, you will come to all EF is there. Then in EF, you have to all nodes you have explored. In BFS, EF is there. Then let me write, then people will understand. Again, it went. This is happening strange.
So can you please explain BFS separately? Because this is my doubt.
Okay.
But this will also help in the same question.
Yes, sir, please, BFS. Actually, I am a little bit confusing in the BFS. So
in BFS, you should explore. See, here is thing, no? So if you want to go through that BFS technique, first you explore all the all the branches rather than going into deep. So see here, if I write through DFS, people have understood, no? If I go through BFS, you should write A, then B and C, B, then C. Not you are going to explore E and F. That is what it is written here. For if I click here, where is that? It is written. Yeah. So in BFS, that's why it is written A, B, C, and then so that's why C is written. Otherwise, if it is DFS, then A, B, E. Like you have to explore all the depth first. So in DFS, first you have gone through B and C. Then among that, again you will come to the lower alphabets, which is D, and then you will explore all the branches. So what are the branches here? E and F. Okay. E and F are there, no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So again in E and F, then in other side you had C, no? A, B, A, where is that? Yeah. A, B, C, E, F. E, F is there. Then among E, you had what are the things you have? L, J. Okay. So L, J you have explored, L and J.
Is there any particular reason we are iterating from the left side? So we could have gone like A, B, C, C to D, then I and J. But we are focusing
on lower alphabets. Now we have said somewhere, no, which comes alphabetically first. No.
Okay.
Okay, no.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I have a doubt in this lower alphabet too.
Yeah. Tell me.
Yes, sir. We do.
If we consider lower alphabet, how can we shift our decision to another branch? Because like just start from A, then B, C, because B and C, and then why D? Why not E, F, and then D?
C.
Then you said because D is lower than.
C. Yeah. So yeah. So
Because
see
D
what
is lower. Yes. So you said that D is lower than E and F. But how can we determine between the algorithm that another branch have the lower alphabet? because we haven't seen
See
it.
what
yet.
we are doing here. So you had in BFS, what you have to explore all the branches connected to A first, rather than going to into the depth. That everybody follow?
Yes.
Okay. So
B and C.
yeah. So
Then
what are the nodes which are connected with A, B, and C?
B.
Okay. You have explored B and C. So now we have to go to the branches of B and C. But you have choice which one you have to choose among B and C. Which comes?
I think B should be choose.
Yeah, B. So again, you have in B, what are the branches you have? E and F.
E and F.
Sorry.
Then,
so you wrote E and F first, no? That is what
yes.
it is written, no? E and F. Okay.
Okay.
Now we have explored up to here, F. Now you have to explore the branches of E and F. But again, you will choose which are the one have come first, alphabetically first.
We should be exploring C first because C was left out.
Yes.
Yes, sir. After B, we should be going to C.
Okay, just a minute.
सर हमने A के बाद B और C लिखा, right?
हाँ,
B
correct,
हमने
correct,
explore कर लिया.
correct, guys. So after that C we have to explore. I think this is something is wrong here. What the explanation is there? Yeah. So it should be like
No,
that.
sir, that was correct. जो लिखा हुआ था वो सही था.
C is written there, na? Okay, हाँ. B and C. Then after that we have to explore. We have explored all EF. Then we have to explore branches of C. Okay, no, that was the there, na? Yeah, I missed that part. So after the, again, I'm just recalling, guys. Just give me 1 second. So see what we have done. We have branches. Let me write because it is going down so that people are not able to follow. Yeah, it is clear now. This plot is graph is visible to everyone, no? So this is activity.
Yes.
9.6. Yeah. So we have for BFS, let's first search. We have A. We wrote first A, then B and C. No. Then we have to explore. Yeah, we have to explore the branches of this B and C. Among that, which are the first we are going to look according to which alphabetically comes first.
B.
Okay. So B comes first. So we have to explore E and F. Okay. Then we again come back to C. Hannah? So C, which are the branches only? D.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
D. So we have explored all the branches of C and B and C, no?
Yes.
Then we have to go to the next. So next is what? Among branch D and E, F and D, no?
Yes.
So so among that, which is the first one?
We think D should be
D, no?
H.
Sorry,
H.
one more time. So
D.
see what we have done in among B and C. What are the branches we have? We have explored for branches of B and C. E, F and D. Same thing we have done for A. Na? For what we have done, we have looked at the branches of A among B and C. We have explored B and C. Now what are the branches of B and C? E, F and D. Among that, which we have to choose? Which comes alphabetically? Sorry, which comes alphabetically?
First.
First, no? So which is the first one? Among
D.
E, F and D?
D.
D. So D. So we have I and H, no?
H and I.
Yes.
Anna?
Yes, sir.
So someone was saying that why we wrote I first, no?
No, sir, that was for the DFS.
Yeah.
So that is there, no? So I
and so यहाँ पर भी H और I होगा, I think.
हाँ. So that is also one confusion. See, among I and H, which we should write first?
Yes, H and I. Yes.
H and I, no? H and I, no?
Yes.
Guys.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So It should be H and I first. I think here is little bit mistake is there. I think. Okay. So H and I we have explored first, and then we have to come back to other branches. So E and F. Now no. So what are the? Can you please mute no? Those who.
Yes, sir. Please mute everyone.
Yeah. So now we have H. So we have explored of branches of D. No. Now what are the remaining E and F? So among E and F, which is the one?
E.
E and F. No.
E.
So E and F may
E.
we will choose E. And what is the branch of E? L and
J
J.
and J.
Again, it is written L and J. I think whichever. Okay. I have to confirm this one. So first, what are the things? J.
J and L.
J and L.
L. Then we have to explore branch of F. Which are the one?
G.
G.
G. We have explored all the branches of E, F, and D. Correct?
Yes.
Now what are the things we have? L, J, G, I, and H. Correct?
Okay.
Among that,
among that we should first sort.
We have only one branch for J, no?
Yes, yes.
So
if there were many branches, then we have to first sort available options and then start from the top.
I think here we have to change this one. Okay.
So
now
important is the order.
Order? This is the order, no?
How much important it is? Like if we interchange
so
K and M or L and G, so how much difference will it make in the answer?
Yeah, order is important, no? Which you are writing first H and I. So since we have already given which are the alphabetically comes first, we have to write first, no?
Yes.
So in a multi-select question, we will not look at the answer which has the same order but the messed up sequence.
Yeah, whatever you got according to this, you have to go with that, no?
Okay,
order
sir.
is actually important, no?
So this is BFS, is it?
Yeah.
So in BFS, like we take each new level, like each new nodes, and then arrange them in alphabetical order.
Yeah.
Like go through them in alphabetical order.
Yeah. If it is not given, you can take. See, here it is mentioned. Whenever it is not mentioned, I think we also take, but we.
Oh my God, so cute. What they had. Good.
Hi.
Yeah. So this is actually BFS, no? Yeah. Any doubt in this?
Sir, in the last question, in this activity only, sir, the order is given different.
Yeah, for?
So BFS. Sir, it is A, B, C, D, E, but we have written A, B, C, E, F, D. It is given A, B, C.
Starting from the node A, in what order will the nodes be visited using a breadth first search to reach F? Assume that there is a choice of multiple nodes. Algorithm will choose the node which comes first. Okay, so you have to reach to F, no?
Yes.
That is the question, no? Yeah. So you have to reach the first F. So for F, this is the order, I think, up to here, no?
Yes, sir, but they have included D also before it.
A, B, C, D. What is the A, B, C, D, E is the correct answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, because they are considering alphabetically, I think. So they consider D first and then E and then F.
But sir, even if they consider alphabetically, then shouldn't we check the branches of B first?
No, BFS, the order should be like that only, no? So did mistake anywhere in here? A, B, C?
No, sir. No, sir. I think we did it correctly. Sir, जो यहाँ पर option में दिया हुआ है वो गलत है, I think. Because sir, sequence should matter, right? So A के बाद जब हमने B and C लिखा, so we should execute B first, then C, right?
Yes, yes.
So no matter, so it doesn't matter if D comes first or if something else is underneath C, we should always execute B first.
Yeah.
Right,
So
because
no,
that is the sequence.
no. See, thing is that like what we rule followed here with the starting. We followed like whenever you have started with A, you have two nodes. With all branches you have to explore of A. What are the branches you have? B and C. Among that, which
Yes, sir.
will become first alphabetically? Which are nodes comes first? So B came first. So that's why we wrote B and C. Now we have to explore the branches of B among B and C. No. So
Yes, sir.
yeah. So in B and C, we have E and F.
Sir, I think in this BFS, we consider the levels of nodes instead of considering the neighbors. According to answer, we are considering A at level 0, then BC at level 1, and C, F, D are at level 2. So according to that, they sort.
No. Level of node. What you are talking about, the in degree means how many nodes are connected. That is what you are talking about. Yeah.
Level 1 is level 0 is like A, where the tree is starting, graph is starting.
Okay.
And level 1 is B and C, and level 2 is E, F, D. Like I think BFS is working on levels. Like first we consider A and then B, C, and then we collect E, F, D at level 2, then traverse them. I think it is working like
Yeah,
this.
it is working like that. I think it's working. It is working like that, but the order of the letters does not depend on that, right? Because
I think this is my main confusion. That's why I push this BFS.
Just no. Why did I write E and F here?
Sir, because B came first.
No. So we have
We were executing the branches of B, A, then B. We were executing the branches of B, and then we were going to.
Something is
In the previous level, like A is like somebody said, A is level 0, right? There's only one node there.
Yeah,
So
L.
then we go down to the next level, level 1, which is B and C. So in that level, whichever node came first, we execute. We go down that node first, right?
Yeah.
So अगर यहाँ पर C और B होता for hypothetically अगर यहाँ पर C और B होता, then we would have gone down C first.
Yeah.
Right.
No, why?
C and D, no? You are talking
This is
about
my main confusion, sir. That's why I pushed. I am lots of confusion in BFS.
We are going alphabetically, right? So
Okay.
anyway, we will go to B first, then to C, and inside that first breath, again inside B we are going to explore, and again alphabetically we will go E and F. Then we shift to C and go again one done, that is D. Then we will come again to alphabetically first thing, that is E. Then again we go alphabetically. Like that we are going, right, sir?
Just minute. So
Yeah, so all the nodes of one level would come together, but the order would be dependent on whichever parent node is executed first.
First, yes. Yeah, true. We have to actually check with the answers actually why it is there, or am I missing something here?
I think the answer is incorrect. The answer जो दिया हुआ है option में वो गलत दिया हुआ है क्योंकि D should not be there. I mean by our logic.
No, something we are missing here. In BFS, A and then B, C are connected. Yeah, B, C are connected. What we are doing actually, we are exploring all the branches of A. Now we came to B and C second level, which is now we have to explore the branches of among B and C. Then we will choose which are the branches we are going to explore first based on the alphabetically comes first. True. Then we came to B and we explored the branches of E and F. No, that is the what we are doing. No.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But the fourth question is in a different manner.
Okay. Just I will check these things why this is different. What logic they have used, or maybe something left and right combination, something they have used. So I will check this one. Okay, no.
Questions. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, actually BFS it is not sir has not taught in too much detail in BFS. No? Just to we have given in the pseudo means this activity question to just make difference how it is different from the DFS. Also, we do not have any question based on BFS in graded assignment, I think, no? So
Yes,
don't
yes.
worry about the BFS currently.
Sir, we don't have, but this question is confusing a lot.
Yeah, understand. What is I'll just check that. If it is wrong, then I will just correct, or maybe I will check again. Okay, don't worry about that BFS. Yeah.
Sir,
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a doubt in activity question 9.1.
Just a minute.
What is the final output
of what?
Of this discussion? That how do we go for the BFS?
Yeah, so BFS, I will just check actually if maybe some hidden things are inside what they have used, means while configuration. So if it is there, then I will let you know through discussion forum, or tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow, we will have live session for the week 10. In that live session, we'll try to clear that out. Okay. And this will not affect on your graded assignment, because we have not asked any question based on BFS, just to make you understand how it is different from DFS. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Some alphabetical ka yahan pe something is there. Okay. Okay. So what we have next? Yeah.
Next.
Bhanu, what's your doubt?
Activity question sheet 9.1, question number 6.
9.1. Yeah, question number
6.
This one.
Next.
6.
Yes.
Yeah, this one you just watch lecture. Nothing is there. Na? Anybody wanted to help in that? What's your doubt in this? Actually, tell me.
Yes. Why it is not included departure time? I thought departure time should not be included.
Departure time is mentioned in DFS tree. Let me check my notebook.
I thought arrival and departure time both can be seen on card, but it is mentioning that it is wrong.
Departure. So why your arrival time is not mentioned? That is what you are saying?
I'm saying arrival and departure time both can be seen in card.
It is mentioned in that DFS tree.
I think so. Only the arrival. I mean, these are essentially like the things that you write on top of the
Departure time was not mentioned.
Just only the arrival time.
Yeah, only the arrival time. You just cross check with that one. It is not mentioned. So not that one. So what sir has drawn at last. The initially what sir was drawing is not the DFS one. The DFS is actually what sir has written, that explore VIJ Monday 00. That one is actually the DFS tree. Okay.
No, so here actually the departure time is considered because it's the stations that is being considered. So you're waiting at the station, and the time that is being recorded is the departure time. And when you're talking about the trains, the arrival time is being considered. So either of those two things are mentioned. Both things are not mentioned.
No, but when we're talking about the train, should the departure time also be considered? Because I mean, okay, the station thing, I can give you that. But about the train, I mean, if it stops in any intermediate station, for example, so both the arrival and the departure times should be considered, right?
Well, that was actually from the lecture. I noticed that the arrival time was being considered.
No. So just check that one here from here. Where is that lecture? 9.1. At the last, sir has drawn.
So actually, I continue the same train. So if we do the same thing for any Gunta, then we'll just continue. Yeah. So this will, yeah.
Two ways. Yeah, just check from here. What sir is saying.
Time is going to stop us from moving.
Okay, no? Just check from here. What sir is.
Beyond a certain point.
So can you say that what is this? This train has just started at this time.
So if the explore is essentially a station explore, then it's going to be the departure time, and if the explore is going to be explore train, then it's going to be the arrival time.
No. So
we have considered departure time only there.
Yeah, this is what? Can you say anyone?
Departure time.
This is Vijayawada, right? So it's
Yeah.
it's departure
Start
time.
of the
It
day.
has, yeah, so it has not started. The train has not
Yeah.
started at this time, but this train has reached at 6:15. So departure time is mentioned, but arrival time is not. So sorry, departure arrival time is mentioned, but departure is not mentioned. No, guys.
Yes, sir.
Departure time only.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. See, at 12 o'clock, this train has started from Vijayawada. No, na.
No, sir. No.
Reference is there, train data. So, what is that number? Vijayawada.
That is the start of the day they have mentioned, sir.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. So just let go carefully from here, from this timestamp. Okay. Who had doubt this one?
Right.
Yeah. So
Okay.
please go through that one. It is not just just you have missed that part. That's why you are not able to follow. It's not like just.
I have a question from week 8.
Yeah, just a minute. Yeah. So next doubt is Neeraj.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What's your doubt, Neeraj?
Sir, I have a doubt you clear in a practice assignment of 9.5. No,
9.
sorry, sir, 9.6, and I think you you explain it, but I have a problem that I don't be solve graded assignment, and my score is down regularly. How I improve it?
Okay. So in practice assignment, you have some doubt in 9.9 week 9, no? And you are saying that you are not able to totally follow the course. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I
So
am not able
do you join live session regularly? I think I see you first time. I mean, live session. Do you
Yeah,
join live session
yes,
regularly?
yeah, that is correct. But sir, I am busy on other type of, so how I
But
consider.
no, but thing is that since you have registered for this course, you have to give time now, like others commitment you have, and you are giving time. So at the time of joining this course, you have also made some commitment that yeah, you will give this much time to understand this or go through the course and whatever the things are explained in live session. I'm not telling you to watch a live session, but at least you go to watch the recorded session also. Na? That videos all are available on YouTube. No?
I watch a recorded video completely, but I think taking a notes is helpful for me, not
Yeah.
just
So
what.
yeah. So please also make notebook. So are you making notebook of what sir used to taught? I mean, whatever the lecture concepts are covered in weeks. Are you making notes?
No, sir. I think that is my problem.
So you should see. Even I make notes so that I can tell anytime, like I have to just open the notebook and tell, yeah, this sir has mentioned this part or that concept mentioned here. So you should also make a notebook. At least, guys, please, if you are not made, it's okay. But for the quiz 3, I think it is also not too much late. You can start making note. What is there? So, but for INSEM, you should have at least notebook so that you will understand in keep time, like whenever you do revision. So I'm just giving you advice to please make note of each and every subject whatever sir is teaching. Actually see, each time you cannot go to the video and just again watch the video. Thing is that whatever you have grasped from that particular video and how you have write in your way, so that will have a more impression, means you will, that things will be in your mind for a long time if you are writing in your handwriting and in your notebook. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, I
So,
have a one question. That's the online note. Yeah, one thought best option. Yeah, offline. Yeah, taking note rules. That I
no, so I'm
taking
telling
note
that,
on.
see, I'm telling here that online or offline note, I didn't understand what do you mean that by mean online or
That
offline note means.
sir, like note online is like soft notes, like in
No. So
OneNote.
I'm telling you to write on notebook. The what is that? Offline mean. You have to write in your note. We have to purchase a copy, the white or whatever you like, ruled one or white. I write all things on that one. Then if you have some doubt, see all things you cannot do. See, whenever you're reading first time, at least you should write. You are not, whenever you're making soft note, you are not actually writing. You are just typing. Typing and writing is two different things. Understand? So please do at least make one time note. And yeah, some students, I understand that they have already gone through these type of things like science background, no, I think engineering background, and especially the computer science students, so they know these things. So they have not recorded because they have already studied these things. Understood? So those who are going through these course first time, at least make notebook one time. That is hard notebook. You have to write all the things, week wise content. And then whenever you are stuck or you want have some you have confusion, go and watch that particular video. If you are still not able to follow, ask in one of those live sessions that is there. No, yeah. So what is your doubt actually, Neeraj? Tell me.
Sir, I have last doubt that I am not follow. That is not is subject doubt, but is journal doubt. I think I ask. Can I ask this?
Okay, is it okay? I will try to answer. Let me see what you're asking. Okay.
Sir, I am not join regular college, and I only decide that I pursue this course that is helpful for me completing. I only rely on that degree. That's I think.
Yeah,
That is
but
correct.
you can do that. Why not? Yeah, you can do that. If you want to go to some companies where the data science working on that, the data science companies, you can simply use this degree and you can go to that particular company. What is there? You can go through.
Sir, I think if the IIT online degree is compulsory for going a regular college,
No, I don't think so. A regular college. But you should have minimum degree to join that one, that you have already joined. So yeah, but we are not saying that you should have regular degree to also do along with that. You can do, many of the students are doing only this course only, rely on this course. You are, if you are completing, you are getting the degree from IT. That is also equivalent to whatever you are getting in regular degree, regular colleges. No?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay then. Yeah. So please make notes and go through line by line whenever some pseudocode or something comes. Okay. Okay. So you do not have any technical doubts. Then I will move to the next person.
I have technical doubt, but I think I late you solve, but I watch video. A technical doubt is 9.6 and question number 2 you have solved, but I watch video. I have late joining meeting. So
Yeah. 9.6 you were talking about.
Yes, sir. Question number 2.
Just go through. Also, I have not clearly explained that BFS, that I have to check from how that answer is there. If I'm whatever I have written is correct, then I have to change the answer. That is there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I see my
Okay.
phone watching video.
Okay. Okay. So next one, who is AP? You have doubt?
Yes, I had one. I had one general doubt, not related to this DFS or BFS.
Okay.
So just one small thing that, sir, this if condition that we, so pseudocode में जो if condition जो use करते हैं, so उसमें right, is there an if else condition involved, or is there only if and else part? Is there any else if statement
Else
inside
if
this?
nothing is there. Like if you are saying if else, we have generally these things. Now
Yeah.
you are saying else if this one. Is it this one you are saying or some different thing?
No. Else if as a statement.
So now
Like
if this is if else is there, yeah, inside you can have if, no, that is what you are saying.
No, that I get. So वो समझ में आ रहा है मुझे. Like if के बाद sir else के बाद space लगा के if else if.
This one.
This, yes, this.
Yeah, so this is I think in C programming you are talking about, no?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, so there that the terminology or the syntax that is followed there. Here we have what we used to do. We have to open a bracket here. What do you mean by the else if, man? You have another condition here, no?
Exactly. So
So you are
under one
you are
if
giving,
condition, I can execute multiple statements,
so
not
see
just only if and else thing.
yeah, so what you are doing actually, one filter was here that is becoming false, it is coming to the else part, again going to execute, I mean whatever something a statement will be here, na, inside, so that you are putting one more filter here, no? That is what you are doing here, no?
Yes. So my question was that, sir, this pseudocode thing that we've been doing for the past 10 weeks
So
or so.
in pseudocode, if we want to do here, what we do, we have to open here bracket and what we are following here to clearly mention like that
So
we are doing here, no?
right. Okay. So
Anna?
in this, sir, in quiz two, in quiz 1 or 2, I think quiz 1. Sorry, quiz 1. That qualifier exam that we gave. Sir, uske andar ek question tha. It was regarding there was this table given and we had to calculate. We had to
Yeah, so
calculate
that
the sum of either
Tamil
A or B.
Nadu, all states that
Exactly. Yes, sir. So in that thing, we had
I
2
have
if statements and 1 else statement.
I have just explained that question, so that according to what is the answer, I understand what you are saying, but according to what did you choose in the qualifier examination?
So I chose Tamil Nadu, I think.
Yeah, Tamil Nadu is the correct one.
Tamil Nadu, sir, but I think I got my marks struck off because of some confusion or something like that. Because
No.
I
So
thought
no, yeah. So on the portal, I mean, so what we have shared with you, actually, that is there is some correction was required in that particular question, but the actual marks what you got is the according to the corrected answer sheet. Okay, so that I understand that. Where is that question? Let me check. Qualifier, no, you are talking about.
yes, sir. So this was one lingering doubt which I had since I passed the
No,
qualifier exam.
I just explained that one. Don't worry about that. Okay, where is that? I can found. Yeah, this is the one. Question number 42, I think that was the question.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the one you were talking about, no? IAP. What's your full name?
Sir, it's Aditya Pathak.
Yeah, Aditya. So see, this is the question you were talking about, no?
Yes, I think yes.
Yeah. So this is the one else part is there. So what was happening? So most of the people got this Madhya Pradesh as a correct, no? But that is not happening. Why? Because see, here whenever so this part everybody understood what is happening. The confusion is here because of this else. So I always tell to a student that wherever this else condition is there, be careful. That has lot of hidden information. How? Just come here. So see, 30, 32, 40. So see, A is greater than. Let me write them. I should actually explain this one. Okay. So see what you have here. A is what? 30. For 8 is okay. So 30, let me write in 30 for Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu. We have 30, 32, and 40. So we have given here, means procedure is called ABC is now 30, 32, and 40. Correct? Some we have initialized with 0. A is greater than C, meaning 30 is greater than 32. Sorry, 30 is greater than 40 is a false condition, no? Guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then we came to here. B is greater than C. So 32 is greater than 40. True or false?
False.
Then it will go to the else part simply. So sum will be here A plus B. A plus B is how much? 30 plus 32 will be 62. Correct? Now we have this guy. Which one? MP. MP, no? MP is how much? 48, 20, and 22. Hannah?
Yes.
Now see what
Yes, sir.
a strange thing will happen here if you do not put your mind here. Yeah. So see now again A is greater than C. 48 is greater than 20. True.
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
and A is greater than B. And sorry, A is here. 48 is greater than 22. No, sorry.
Yes.
So it's true, and A is greater than B. So 48
Yes.
is also greater than B. So what is the value of sum here? B plus C. B plus C. What is the value?
42.
42.
42.
Yes.
But we have to read this sentence also, no? Because we are not returning from here itself. What we are doing, we are going to read all. We cannot leave these sentence, no? These expressions.
Sir, may I say something?
Yeah, please.
Sir, in so what I so the main part where I was getting confused was because back then I didn't know whether this could be counted as an else if statement. But so now can we say that because of the second if else condition, the first if part would be redundant, like if A greater than C and A greater than B. So this part
Correct.
would not be counted at all.
No. So whenever this condition is becoming false, some will be updated. So
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So do we don't need to check this first part, right? We don't need to check if A is greater than C and A is greater than B. That would actually save us a lot of time.
Yes. That you are saying either this will be false, then it will come here.
Yes,
or if
sir.
it is
Because
becoming
everything
true.
is dependent on the second condition.
Yeah. Yes. True.
But so what you are saying is for Madhya Pradesh, if first if condition is satisfied, why do we need to check other conditions?
Because code is there. No, I'm not doing anything. I cannot do with my mind. No, we have to go through the code. No. Understand what logic? I understand that. Yeah, it should return the minimum summation marks among ABC. No.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but thing is that something because of else part that what we wanted to ask became some error in that.
But sir, it is not indented that we have to go inside. If we find the answer, we can exit at the same time. If it would have been indented.
Who is that? Karthike.
Yes, sir.
See, computer doesn't work on your mind. No? How you are assisting to him means with the code, with the help of code, like that it will work. No. Once you get this sum, where is the return function is here? Nothing. No. Then
No,
we
sir.
have to go there. We have to go there.
Okay. Understood.
Okay.
Understood.
Okay. So again, see this condition: B is greater than C, 20 is greater than C, 22, 20 is greater than 22. It is false, no? For this one, MP.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this will be false. Then again, sum will be A plus B. So it will be again updated. Sorry. So this will be 48 plus 60. 48 plus 20 will be 68. So that is the mistake most of the done. But we wanted to ask what you are also thinking, but because of this, yes, but we had to do some modification in that, and that time it would have given correct. But according to the code, the correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Okay. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
Sir, can you please explain in the DFS the pseudo-code how the execution will be happening, sir, with some example like taking 2-3 nodes?
Okay. But okay, I will do that one. Yeah. Okay. So
Sir, I have a question about edge label graph pseudocode in V8.
Okay.
Can I just share my screen?
Are you showing some video?
No. It's just like over there, what the pseudocode notes which are there now on the PPT.
Okay. Who may I know your name? Manish. Okay, so actually you are in the queue first. So okay. Just show me then.
All right.
Maybe you will be not able to share the screen because you should be given
You've
permission.
disabled participancy. Okay,
Yeah.
I have a quick question in that.
Tell me then.
In that, like there is this start and end key which is getting assigned, right? So that what I mean to ask is, whenever you assign a key called start or end, does it implicitly go to the list and assigns automatically can recognize start as like that field and end as that field from the list, or like
See, a start and end, that is the key of one of the dictionary what we have defined here, wicket. And I have, I think you are talking about the one of the pseudocode what sir has written in the beginning. Means the first, I
Yes,
think, just let me open my notebook where I have written so that I can tell directly.
it's
Yeah,
in
I think
week
I think
8,
8.3, 8.3. Yeah.
8 point, yeah, edge label
So
graph.
yeah, 8.3. In edge level graph, you have doubt.
Yeah, edge label graph. So what happens is over there in
Hmm.
that trains dictionary,
Mm-hmm.
we assign that start as the starting station and end as the ending station. My
Yes, yes.
question is, how does the program recognize that this is like the top entry, this is the top field in the list, and that is the bottom field in the list? Nothing of that sort is given over.
No, no. So why we have written a start and end? Because we wanted to count the number of stations there. So did you create while did you create the dictionary while going through the pseudocode? How that pseudocode was creating this stations dictionary or trains dictionary and station index? These are all the things.
So before going to station and the station index, okay,
Uh-huh. Uh,
that the keys from the trains is taken, and that keys from the trains which is taken is assigned as a key which is
trains.
true, which is as in it's true in the station's dictionary, right? That is, this is a direct train. But my question is, how in the first place in the trains dictionary, we
Defined.
assign when we assign that key as start, how did
Uh-huh.
like that
A
assignment
pseudocode
recognize?
can do. That is
How
what
did
you.
it recognize that this start is the we're talking of the first field in the and then we're talking about the last field
Okay.
in the list in the table list, you know?
Okay, okay, I understood, understood. You are saying that means how the trains
As in
dictionary.
like, yeah, so what does start do? Does it implicitly automatically recognize that we're talking about the first row and
No,
then
no,
we're
no,
talking about
no, 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 no. So see, a start we have just said that just a key of the dictionary. So it was like that. Just let me write. So if you see that the trains dictionary.
if you can change permission, I can share my screen, then you'll be able to see it.
I actually I do not have that permission. Actually, I have to call and how much time it will take that
Okay, no
person
problem.
to. So I just write on behalf of you actually. So the train dictionary, what is used in that particular lecture is that like that I think if you remember. And start and end.
And yes, correct.
Yes, so that is what you want to
Yeah,
understand.
so my question was, when this is getting, there was no assignment of like, okay, go to that first field and then get that value. My
Mhm.
question is, how did it start and end to recognize that we're talking about the first entry, the starting station, and the last entry?
Okay, okay. So like that, this is the dictionary you have.
Yes, and on basis of this, the stations dictionary was made,
Yeah,
correct?
yeah, that is created. Understand,
And
understand.
so in that also, like in the stations dictionary, there is a possibility of repetition that is going to be happening. So when we are creating an n by n matrix, how in that pseudocode it's not also given that how does it recognize that n
No,
by
and
n?
no, in a station dictionary, what we have done, we if it is even though a repetition is there, that will be overwritten there. Like if Kolkata Bikaner is there for a train number 12259, if some other train which is Kolkata to New Delhi. So Kolkata, we are just trying think that in that trains dictionary we have Kolkata station, and that will be true. That is assigned with the true, meaning that
Yes.
that a station is there. If one
Oh,
more
okay,
time we are
okay.
doing, nothing will
Because it's
happen. No?
Boolean. Okay, it
Yeah.
becomes Boolean. Correct, correct,
Yeah,
correct.
yeah. Okay,
So,
no?
but like, okay, coming back to this start,
Yeah.
this thing, can you help me understand that how did it automatically recognize the first field and the last field?
No, so it will not recognize. So you will be given the dictionary. That table is there, no? So that table
So
is
we are
there.
not talking about computers here, right?
No, no, we are not talking about, but we wanted to understand what how we can write. In the sense, we can have so these tables are there. You can directly get from this table. Meaning you have some imaginary table. Imaginary we cannot say, but you have given the list where the train number is there, and starting and end point is there. So from that you can create the dictionary. So from this, you mean to say from this
Yeah,
existing
so
data,
from
how
from
how
your
we can do?
yeah, from your existing table, say we take
You can do in the other way. Like see, one thing is there. You have the distance. Wherever the distance is 0, you can we consider that a station is a Bikaner, and that the station distance is maximum.
Okay.
You can find the endpoint Kolkata. That is also one way. No, that will be always
So basically, it's not shown in the lecture, but it does not automatically function like a function where it can automatically
no,
recognize.
that is not a function. Actually, we have to, from the given some data we have created, means you have to come with the data like this dictionary, trains dictionary, what we have
Right.
created here.
Right.
This one, you can take that one. And how we can do that is another question. And I just told you that we can do that like x dot the card is there. You can go through wherever the distance is equal to 0, corresponding x dot a station name will be
Right.
the start. You can have Kolkata, and wherever the distance you keep going the max distance, or means if it is at the last station, actually you are going through the all rows of this card, and then wherever the maximum distance is there, that will
Right.
be considered as the end station. So at that time x dot a station name will be the Bikaner.
So yeah,
Like that
I'll ask you. I understand what you're saying now, but I'll
Yeah.
ask you where my confusion was coming from, so that we can
Uh-huh.
just confirm it. So there
Yes.
was this line in the transcript which was saying we are only going to allow, say, example, Kolkata to Bikaner to be a direct connection for such a
Yeah.
train.
Yes.
For
Yes.
each
Yes.
train, we set up a dictionary entry where the keys is the train and train number, and there are two special fields: key start and key end. So that's what I
Uh-huh.
want to understand. What is these two special fields?
Yeah, so we are just ignoring the in between intermediate station. We are not considering for creating the direct matrix we have created, no.
Hmm.
So we are not considering that one. We are just considering the starting and ending point of any station, and that so for operating this Kolkata, you have some key value, no. That is not a any function. That is the key of that this dictionary. So this is actually nested dictionary, no.
Hmm. Yes.
That is nested dictionary, no.
Yes.
So you have to operate this one like Kolkata. How we will operate? You will have to go to the first dictionary key, and then inside or again you have another key. What is that? A start. Then you will have the value, means if you want to access the station name, sorry, it should be the, this will be the Kolkata, no.
Yes. Correct.
Okay, no? So you have this is a nested dictionary, so that we have just given a key value, key name, and this is the
Okay.
value.
Okay.
And how we will do that, that is the different story.
That's a different
Means,
story. Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
you can directly get from some table which is already arranged in such a way that, or you can, based on that, if you want to the what we have given the data, we can do based on the distance, because distance will be throughout the same, because at the 0 distance you will have the starting point, and
Understood.
the maximum you will have the ending point.
Okay.
That's fine, no.
Okay. Yeah. Understood.
Sir, also by using first off and last off also we can find the start and end of the train, right, sir?
Yeah, if it is written in terms of list, means if a station name for the given train number is in terms of list, like Bikaner, these all things, the first and last will be the starting and ending point. That is also there. So it depends upon the data, like how data is given to you. So that is there, na. So what are the tools you have learned? That all tools are not going to use that the same data. You have to understand how the data is, that if the data is given in list, so very like you can use member, first, last, init. This function you can use whenever the data is given in terms of list. Whenever this dictionary is there, means data is given in terms of dictionary, you cannot use these functions, no. You can use this one, is key, no. Like that you can, these things you
Correct.
can use only.
Correct.
So
Yes, sir.
that is there. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. One
Sir,
then
I have a doubt in the same lecture.
in
Hello.
this only.
Sir, in this only, sir.
Which lecture?
Here, the same first lecture, we are using the procedure to find direct trains.
Yeah.
So in that, in this lecture, we are using this procedure to find the direct trains, right, sir?
Yeah.
But here we are collecting the starting and ending stations of the train itself.
So did you
Actually,
understand?
that starting and ending.
Tell me, please. Sorry. Yeah, Sajan, you can tell me. Yeah. Hello.
The trains. Actually, that itself gives us the train list, right? Like the trains which are direct, because it is already talking about the start and ending stations.
Yeah, actually, I'm not able to hear you clearly. Your voice is breaking. What about others? Are you able to hear him, guys?
So
No, sir.
his
It's
network is
a network issue, sir.
Yeah. So Sajan, what do you do? Like I have explained in the last live session, the initial part, how this dictionary and this direct matrix or dictionary is being created. So I have explained each and every, like how a station dictionary will look like, how a station index will look like. If you are able to hear me, just go through the. I watched the last. I think when did I take the last session? I think. Wednesday I have taken the last session. So last week Wednesday, you go and watch that particular live session. First half an hour. You just you might be understand from that one. If you are still have doubt, just let me know then.
Okay, sure.
Okay, yeah.
Sir, you had some slides. You said you would be sharing it in the portal, sir. You have done it. In the last
week 7. Yeah. So that what is that about that matrix?
That you wanted to edit certain things before.
Oh, I have. Okay, I have to again call and tell to the operational team. They have not done. Okay, I will. Thank you for reminding. Actually,
Okay.
I will share that one. Yeah.
So can I ask?
Yeah. So yeah, tell me.
Sir, I have a doubt regarding a certain type of questions in CT. Like there is a type of question where we need to select the correct code fragment to complete the pseudocode. So in that type of question, how to approach the options, because it becomes really confusing. Like every option seems to be correct. So how you knock off like options?
So what do you do? What do you do? So see, whenever this fill in the blanks questions are there, you know from the paragraph what it is given, what we have to find. That in every question it is given. True or not?
Yes.
So what you do, the partial things, the half of the code is already given. The partial code you have to fill from the given option. You go with that starting one, the first one. Then you try to find that what with that if you feed that code fragment, what you are going to get means output. What are the output you are going to get once you execute one time? Then you check that what you are supposed to find from the given paragraph. So first time obviously it will take little time, but when so if it is wrong, then obviously you have to go to the next option. It will take relatively less time because you have already gone through that, and the options are not too much different. If I say that options are A and B, if I say, it is not like in some of the question we have introduced say very new things, and next option we have introduced that totally different thing. It is near a similar type of, only the greater than equal to or and operator or if else something is there, but it will take very comparatively less time that how much I spent you on verifying from the option A. No, correct? No. So
right, sir.
yeah, so do in that way. Choose a one of the option, do it for at least for one time, and if you are still not getting what you are supposed to find from the paragraph of that particular question, go to the next option. It will take less time. Like that you have to do. There is no
Right,
any
sir.
other way.
Sir, also in computation thinking, in like before few weeks, we used to get tutorial videos. Now in week 5, 6, 7, we don't have tutorial videos.
So tutorial video what from the previous
Week
last
5, 6, 7 bit tough.
yeah.
So we
Yeah, so last so is it helping you lot of guys? I mean, is it required too much? I mean,
tutorial videos somewhat
okay.
helps
So
because instructor is solving the questions, right?
Yeah. Okay. So actually, when we run at the first time, we didn't get too much good response for that. So we didn't do that one. But yeah, if you guys are saying that, then we'll do that one.
So
Yes, sir.
because in
Tutorial
maths,
because
in maths there are so many tutorials. It helps, sir.
Okay. So we'll add that one. CT.
So what exactly happens in the tutorial videos? I mean, what is it?
No, we used to take one of the example and try to explain. That's all. No. And some concepts which are important and which are not covered.
Actually, it acts
One of
as
the
a
lecture.
bridge between what the
Yes.
lecturers have told and
Yes.
the problems. Actually,
Yes.
it really helps, sir. In the first few weeks, the tutorials were very helpful.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
it's not necessary, right, to watch those videos?
No. You have to watch. If you have, say, in week 5, you had these functions list. Sorry, what is that? Rest, init. These things you have watched. That is comes in tutorial.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
AP?
yes, sir. Till
Aditya?
list we have the tutorial videos. After that, those weren't uploaded.
Yeah, no. So that actually that is not any video we have created for that one. So okay, we will have one of the problem while explaining by one of the instructor. We will upload that one. Okay. Maybe this term becoming late, but your juniors will be benefited from that. But okay, so anyways, I'm also going through in live session very slow to try to explain at least one of the problems. So that is becoming one of the tutorial. But if it is coming separately, so that will be more benefited. Yeah, I understand that. Okay, so someone was saying that they have to look at the DFS, how the DFS will work through pseudocode, no?
Yeah, sir. Pseudo-code, yeah,
Yeah.
with some examples.
Yeah. So any others? So what's your so who had out this one? I mean, may I know your name? It's TFS.
Bishant, sir. Yeah.
Bisant. Okay, I will. Devans, what's your doubt actually? Devans?
Sir, I have doubt in maths. I want to ask just a question from the mates over in the lecture.
Where? Maths.
Maths assignment, not in.
But is it math session?
No, sir, I have mates, the classmates that are online.
Okay, so you came through this live session to meet your friends, huh?
Yes, sir, the fellows.
Nice. Okay, so Rachna, you have doubt?
Sir, can I ask the question now? That maths one.
No.
Because I go to college.
No, this is CT question. You can ask after explaining to me. So you can put in the chat if someone is interested.
I have put it already, but no one has responded. So
no, I think no
What was the question again?
Oh, guys, do in chat. Okay.
I'll put it again.
Yeah. So okay. So, Rachna, what's your doubt?
So this is regarding the graded assignment 8. So there were a couple of questions wherein both the answers seem very similar. So I wanted to check what is that I was missing out as to why.
That A and 1 is there. I think in one of the option, that option you are talking about
the one question was about the authors. Wherein it says that the authors have a book in common, and the other option says minimum one book in common.
Yeah.
At least one book in common.
Yeah, at least. So we have not. So I think it is kept intentionally, but at least it should have a number, at least a book or at least one book or two book like that. So that's why this option is not a correct option.
Okay, but how I saw it is that there should be one book. Even if one book is at least one book is common, it will have a
at least one book. You are saying, see, you are saying at least one book, but it is not really mentioned here. No, at least book means what? How many?
Okay, I thought that was a typo. So
yeah, sir, because this question has a lot of typos in it. Because
this question
you don't use or with both. You don't use either with and. You don't use and with either. So this one has a lot of typos. I myself got confused in this.
At least one book with either I.
Either and is not a thing, and both and or is not a thing.
Yeah,
you have both and either and or.
Okay.
So, so this question, sir, either so you guys have to, buck up your English, sir, because in computational thinking,
this question was not created by me, and this question is not created by me, and that is approved by Madhavan sir, so I can't do, but I have to go back and just tell to them.
Yeah, please do, sir, because sir, personally, I think, sir, in this course, English has a very important part to play, because one
Obviously,
little
obviously,
word here or
obviously.
there can, I mean, can
Change the
make a right
meaning.
answer wrong.
Yeah. So actually, we have also a pressure on that how we can express what we are asking from the pseudocode. That actually it is representing or not. So that also we do a lot of iteration, but I don't know. This was gone through that Madhavan sir, and he said okay, so that's why it is there. But again, I will bring back.
So this
So it
actually,
is just that it was confusing. I mean, I did not know which option to go, and then I just said, okay, let me go with the first option. Sorry, the third option, and it got incorrect because
yeah, me too.
Okay.
first was.
At least
And so
was
similar.
purposely done, is it?
Yeah.
You
Okay.
didn't put the number purposely.
Yeah,
So
I don't know what was the intention, because I have not created this actually this week.
So similar thing was with question 5. So, but I don't know if I am missing something. So I just wanted to check with
question
you.
5?
In the graded assignment, question number 5.
I have to explain DFS actually. Question number 5. Where is that? Yeah, in this, what is there?
Shopping list. Okay, question number. No, not. I think I have the question wrong.
Yeah, did you go through the solution? Then go through the
Yes,
solution.
I did.
Yeah.
I went through the solution.
Okay.
It is in here. It is showing question number 5.1. It is about the shopping list,
so
shopping bills
question.
data set.
Okay.
Wherein 3 shoppers, they should have a common
Okay, I
shop between them.
understood. Where is that one? So this is week 8 only, no? Yeah. This is the one, I think. This is the one, I think. No.
Yes, sir. This is the
yeah, this is it. Yeah. So we have actually ignored 9 and 10. There was some error in that because we cannot. This will not give anything too much because sequence number is unique, and with the unique sequence number, you will have only one shop number.
Yes, so we for every sequence number there would be only a singleton.
Yeah. Understand.
Right?
So
because nothing would be common. The sequence number would not be
Yeah.
common, so there would not be any intersection.
Intersection can be there, but see why I'm saying intersection can be there. Like if say that sequence number 0 have a big bazaar, that the shop name is Big Bazaar, and sequence number 1 is also have Big Bazaar, so that intersection can be there, only one element, no? So Big Bazaar, so intersection can be there, na? But problem it will come when the same person will have went to two shops or twice time one shop, so then sequence number is actually different, no? Because like Ram, so if you see the shopping bill data set, one person has 2 or 3 sequence number also.
Yes, sir. So in this, the choice of ID should have been the name, I think.
Yeah, customer name, X dot customer name, and then how many shops he has visited. But that will also create some confusion while creating that matrix. But I will tell you, that is why we have ignored. A lot of corrections is required for this one, and also it is approved by sir. I don't know how, but yeah. So that's why we have ignored this question 9.
So, but I have it corrected. I mean, I have my answer was correct, so it will be ignored.
Yeah, obviously, but that is not. See, if the answer. Just a minute. Yeah, hello. Yeah. So actually there is see 3 in the option for this question. Thing is that if there exists 3 customers who have visited exactly one shop among them, but this will give whenever incorrect when the same person has visited 3 shops, or one person has visited one shop thrice. That time you cannot have 3 persons. So that error will come because of this, because we cannot say 3 customers, because single customer has visited 3 shops, or one customer has visited one shop thrice. So that type of data we have also in the data sets, if you remember. And also one more thing is that, see, whenever your I is not equal to j, that time matrix whenever its value will be 0, no? When you create matrix is equal to create matrix in comma n, what it is actually initially, it is a default value is 0, no?
Yes, 0.
0, no? So so where we have not mentioned I is not equal to j, but we are checking length of m I j, because it will go through the all I and all j and all h of means all rows and column of matrix m, no? But
Okay.
length of m I j, length is defined for what? List or some integer value or some
Lists are list.
But for this case I is not equal to j, we are not updating anything, meaning that value will be still 0. So length of 0 is not a defined function here, no? So that will give the incorrect one, what we have defined, that is contradictory, no?
So, but when we are creating a matrix in this scenario, so isn't it, I mean, evident that 0 means an empty set, empty
No,
list?
no. 0 and empty is two different things.
Yes, I know that, sir. But this is not hardcore computer programming, right? We are doing computational thinking. So
Yeah.
we have to think like that.
Yeah,
Shouldn't we have to
understood.
be
But it
thinking
should
like
be
that?
also correct now. What we have defined all this function and all this syntax and terminology, that should be also satisfying wherever we write the code. Huh?
Well,
Understand what you
technically,
are saying
yes.
is understand that one. So what we have usually have done, we have created a create matrix, and then again we have to go through each row and a column, and where have we again created an empty list that is there. So I am telling the why I have made it ignored this question. These are the few issues with this question. That's why we have ignored 9 and 10. And 9 and 10 is actually the sub part of this question. Okay, then I'm going to the DFS thing. I'll just quickly go through that one, how it is going to be executed. Meaning, anybody has gone through that, how it will be done? Where is that? Week 9 pseudocode. Yes, sir has explained in very good way. Why you guys are not able to follow? I don't understand. See, the code is here, this one. You just take an example of any simple what we have given there. You can go through that one. I think not a big deal. So see what I tell you. See, there are 3 things: graph, visited, and I. I tell you in the beginning.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. So graph is actually a
Sir,
matrix.
I have a.
Who is he? I mean, what's your name? Sorry. Hello.
Sir, I just wanted to get clarified on one thing, sir. Hello. Can I ask?
Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, I was just looking at the links for the document PDF that you're showing regarding the explanation for the week 9 material, and also the second one which I wanted to know was the solutions for quiz 2, sir, which we had which we appeared on a couple of weeks back.
Okay. I will upload that in quiz 2 solution. Okay. Yeah.
And this PDF link where we can find, sir, for the current week 9, there is a good explanation that you showed the PDF, but I am not able to get to that link. I just wanted to know where that link.
Yeah, these things are not shared with you. I will share that one. Okay. by
Like
tomorrow.
in the sense, where do we look at it, sir? After you shared, like, will it be under any particular link or
It will be
supplementary material? No?
Yeah, supplementary content.
Okay, sir. Yeah, please, sir. Please, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. So see, sir has explained in very good way. Like, why you guys are not following? I don't know. This is actually the code, pseudo code for this DFS. What you have to do, sir has taken one example also. So you have this one. For that one, what you have to do is create a matrix. Matrix means that graph is nothing but a matrix. Meaning for this one, what I'm saying, the input should be like this. Where is that? Yeah. So for that particular thing, yeah. So yeah. So for this one, you have to that graph. What do you mean by graph here? Anybody wanted to tell what do you mean by graph here? Graph is nothing but the matrix created for this one. Meaning, let us say for just a minute. Yeah, hello. Yeah. So guys, so graph, what do you mean by graph here? Hello. Did anybody watch this lecture?
Yes, sir.
So did you, what
Yes,
do you
sir.
mean by graph here?
A graph is basically we are mapping that image to a matrix, right?
Matrix. Correct. So this is the code we have, this one here. Where is that? The code.
Hello. Hello.
Is class still on?
Yeah,
Yeah,
class is there, but
I think it is.
I think he
Connection
got
is-
disconnected. Yeah.
What happened?
I think sir
Connection
has
issues.
issues with his connection.
Any tips on managing this degree in BTech? I think it will get really hard because I'm in the first year.
Oh, dude, we are all in the first year.
Do you guys have BTech?
No.
Wait, you're talking about college?
Yeah.
Like you're in first year of college?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Where did I lost the connection?
You were looking for the code, and then I think your screen.
I was keep talking. A thing is that's what to do. It's the 8:20. So guys, how many have watched that particular lecture? So just I give you brief what I was trying to do here. So for graph, this is the graph actually. I just assume. So for graph, what you have to do, you have to create a matrix. For this matrix, like for this graph, I have created a matrix. So wherever this is connected, I'm writing 1, and wherever it is not connected, that is 0. So let us say for 1, which are the nodes connected
So
with
you need
1?
to share your screen again.
Oh, okay. Again, I have to. I don't think so. I will be share screen without calling him. So from the graph, you guys know how to create a matrix. I mean, if graph is given, wherever graph is given, how to create matrix, you know. Did you ever do in any one of the lecture? I mean, by yourself?
Yes, sir.
So I think it's pretty simple, isn't it?
Yeah. So like you have to create, like if there are 5 nodes are there, you have to create 5 cross 5 matrix. And let us say if with 1 you are connected with 2, there it will be 1 to 2 at row 1, column 2, it will be 1. The rest of the things are 0. No, that is the one we have to do, guys.
yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
that is the way you have to do. So you take a simple example of one of the graph and create a matrix, then go through this code. Then you will understand that how. I think in week 9 some graded assignment question is also there based on that DFS tree or something. It is not there. Where is that?
Yes, I think there is.
It is.
I mean, just to sort according to DFS, I think there's like
No.
the last
Yeah.
question.
Actually, this is the DFS tree. Actually, I think say. So this is actually DFS.
The screen.
Okay, so if you go to the question number 9, sorry, graded assignment 9, question number, which question number this is? 8 to 11. So this is actually a DFS. So I just tell you what is matrix here. So matrix is representing the graph of this one, and graph how we will. So this graph is actually a matrix. You have to convert into form of matrix, and the matrix how will it will be converted? You have to wherever it is connected, like 0, 1, 2 connected. Without sharing, I can't know how to do.
We take the pairs, or wherever there is a connection, say A to B is connected,
Yeah.
or A to C is connected. You take
Correct.
A, B, C, D rows and A, B, C, D columns.
Correct.
Wherever they're connected, we make it as 1 or
Yes.
2. Others are all 0 when they're not
Yes.
connected.
Correct. So wherever there is a direct connection, in question number 8, if you go to the, you have 6. How many nodes are there? 6 nodes are there. So you have to create 6 cross 6 matrix, and whichever the nodes are connected to each other, you have to write 1, and then rest of the things will be 0. No. And then you have to execute this part, then you will find the answer of question number 8. That I am giving hint to you guys. Actually, this is one of the graded, and also I should not talk too much about that, but I just give you a hint how that graph will be actually the matrix. You have to convert into the matrix form, that 0, 1, wherever it is connected you have to write 1, and wherever it is not connected you should write 0, and then go through that procedure, TFS graph comma parent sequence comma I, that is given there, no, in graded assignment question number 8. Okay. Just go through that. You will find easily. That is not a big deal. Okay. Again, I lost the connection.
No, sir.
No, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
You're
sir.
able to hear.
Okay, guys. So yeah. So
Sir,
that's
just one second, sir. This practice assignment, there is the first question. So last element is equal to last of L is the list of thing, no, sir. The last element will be the, it is assigned to last of L, is it?
Last ELM is last of L. Yeah, it is in the pseudocode. Last element is last of L. Yeah.
So if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, then the last element will be 4.
Well, yeah, obviously.
Okay, no, but this last element is equal to last of L means, we assign.
No. So see, your name Jayanti, no?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Jayanti. So see, last element is just a variable. What you are getting from last is actually function we have defined, and that is defined on a list. So list you have considered like 1, 2, 3, 4. So last of L means whatever the elements which is present at the last, which is at 4. So that will be assigned to the variable last ELM.
Last ELEM. Okay, sir.
That is the variable. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So I'm going to close the session.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Good
Thank you,
night.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, guys.